This is Q&A with SeeSonia in under 3 minutes. Hola, my name is Sonia in the city of Chicago, where I teach you how to buy, sell, and invest in houses for your Chicago lifestyle. Century 21 broker y hablo español. And in this topic, or in this video, we're going to be talking about a couple of questions. And the first one is, what is a final walkthrough? And a final walkthrough is basically walking through the home before closing. It could be the day of closing, or it could be the day before closing. And what you're looking for when you're walking through the home is to make sure that the property is clean, and also to make sure that the original sellers did not leave any personal property on premises. Also, to make sure that whatever was negotiated at the home inspection, and if the sellers agreed to repair any items within the house, that all of that has been accomplished. And lastly, to make sure that once the sellers remove the furniture, that there's no signs of mold or any type of pet damage. Along with that, I get questions that, Sonia, am I going to be able to get my keys at closing once it's closed, or is there something else? And the answer is, you will get your keys at closing, and that is it. Your home will be yours. And don't forget, I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget, subscribe.